crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. This is a mini haul from Hobby Lobby and Scrapbook Superstation. Yeah, I'm being conscious on buying crafty supplies since I have too many and I'm being decluttering a lot. But these purchases were intentional because I'm working on a kind of like graduation scrapbook album. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I got. Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. So I have a mini haul here. I have a commissioned album, a graduation album. So I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up some paper. I got this kit from the paper studio and it's like a kind of a generic for Father's Day, or it can be used also for a son, and that's why I pick it up. And then I got this scrapbook paper and specialty paper. These, and love this paper, super cute. Then this one, kind of like a polka dot, flowers. I got two of this one, kind of like marbled, bluish, grayish. This one, school days, congratulations. And of course I have to get my cart storage baggies because I was running out of these sizes, the 8.7 and 8.2 sizes. So I'll put it over here so I don't get that much glare. And then of course I have to get these, and of course I got these graduation stickers, super cute. Ephemera, and the ephemera pieces are everything related to the graduation. And these paper studio washi tapes definitely will go along. And now let's move into Scrapbook Superstation. Let me move. Scrapbook Superstation. I got these heavy, kind of like cardstock from Doodlebug Design. It's like polka dot. And I got two of these navy cardstock. Oh, Basil, yeah, that's the brand. I got this ribbon, polka dot ribbon, kind of navy blue. Graduate. And these baby adhesive brads. And I got this kit, which I am going to repurpose it because I will do the album, but it's not going to be exactly. And why I bought the kit, because it was more economical to buy the kit that includes the album. And I'm going to open this up. Oops, trying to remove these staples already. You will see that in a moment. So the kit contains the album. It's a 6x8 binder album with trims from Simple Stories, and it has also ephemera pieces, chipboard, ephemera, more jemmies, a part of the paper pad. And why I selected this kit, because as I said, I'm going to customize it. I'm not going to do it exactly how it's instructed, and it comes with this scrapbook paper, which is perfect. Yeah, so stay tuned. I will be showing you the final product, how the kit will turn out, and this is for a graduation, so stay tuned on that. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.